Hi, and welcome to another art venture. Today we're going to talk about lines and shapes. So, what I want you to do is collect some objects from your house, some circles, squares, rectangles, triangles, whatever you can find, so that you can gather them so that we can do our drawing. So, go get them and come back quick. Now, once you have all of your items, you're going to take them and you're going to place them and trace them on your paper. Now, your objects can overlap or they can just have space between them. It is up to you how you want to do it. So some of mine will have space and some will not. Now, once you have traced your objects, I want you to take your crayons and outline each object with a different color. Now, make sure you get some dark lines. You don't want lines that barely show. And I suggest you stay away from the browns and the blacks because they are not as pretty, but use ones that have bright colors. And press hard. For some of you that might be a challenge, but I'm sure you are up to the challenge. You can do this. Now, once we have all of our shapes traced, then comes the fun part, where we incorporate our lines. You are going to choose one color to draw your lines, and the lines are just going to go across and overlap and bisect and dissect your lovely shapes that you have already drawn. Now, if you have access to a paint, watercolor paint, and a paintbrush, you can also use that for the next step, because next we are going to use markers, or you can use watercolor paint if you have those. Because if you've drawn dark enough, the watercolor paint the crayon will resist the watercolor paint. But whatever you choose, it's up to you. But I want you to color a different color in each shape. So you can see that this is bisected, divided by this orange line. So now I can reuse this color somewhere else, but where there's a line telling me to stop, I'm going to stop. I don't want the two same colors to be next to each other. So I'm not going to use this color here and I'm not going to use it here because that's the same color and it will not look as good if I use the same color next to each other. It's best if you separate them. So I am going to continue to color until my whole paper is colored, and I will show you the final product in just a minute. So, wait just a minute. Now you can see the finished product. What we have here is the lines going across, but see how it makes it not look like shapes anymore? Because no two same colors touch each other. So each shape created by the lines is a different color. So we don't have the same colors next to each other. So go ahead and finish it up. Crayons and markers, or if you want to use paint, or if you want to use a collage, which is cut and glue, that is up to you. But good luck, and I can't wait to see it. See you next week. Bye.